fruit company produces two types of fruit drinks. The first type is 20% pure fruit juice. The second type is 70% pure fruit juice. The company is attempting to produce a fruit drink that contains 40% pure fruit juice. How many pints of each of the two existing types of drinks must be used to make 30 pints of a mixture that's 40% pure fruit juice? Wholly annoying. Agreed? Okay. Two things I don't know.
The pints for 20% fruit juice and 70%.
Yeah, there's two different types of fruit juice here, right? So X is going to be number of pints. Can we call it type 1 because they call it first type right there? Type 1 juice. And Y is going to be the number of pints type 2 juice. As a reminder, they are taking juice 1 and they're adding juice 2 to it to get our mixture. But what is important about that mixture?
It's 30 pints of it.
That's true, the amount of it. What else is true? What else is important about juice 1, juice 2 in the mixture? The percent of fruit juice they each are. Okay? What percent juice is juice 1? 20%. Should I use 20?
No.
I should use 0.2. Miss Hoff's crazy. She always does another 0. X. 20% times the total amount of juice 1 plus 0.70 Y, 70% times juice 2, has to equal 40% of your 30 pints. 0.40 times 30. So this is like the percentage and then the amount. Percentage and the amount. Percentage and the amount. Follow me? So really this is 0.20x plus 0.70y equals 12. There's equation 1. What's equation 2? X plus y equals 30. The amount of juice 1 plus the amount of juice 2 is equal to 30 pints. When you solve this, what do you got to be careful of? Don't lose your decimal. Don't lose your decimal. Okay, let's set up one more. A theater group made appearances in 2 cities. The hotel charge before tax in the second city was $1,000 lower than the first. The tax in the first city was 3.5%. The tax in the second city was 3%. The total hotel tax paid for the 2 cities was $295. How much was the hotel charge in each city before tax? I've always said to you, it's so important that you define your variables, that you tell me what X and Y stand for. And people that were struggling on this and were asking me for help, most of it was because they messed up what X and Y were. What do you want X to be? Okay, so charging. Okay, so charge for first city. Can I call it city 1? Are you good with that?
Yeah.
And charge for city 2. Write an equation to represent the hotel charge before tax in the second city was $1,000 lower than the first. What would that look like as an equation? Don't say it out loud, just write it. The second city was $1,000 lower than the first. Somebody remind me, was is past tense for is. Is in math means equals. So the second city we have set up as which variable? Y equals $1,000 lower than the first. X minus 1,000. X minus 1,000. Okay, then how about your second one? The tax in the first city was 3.5%. Tax in the second city was 3%. The total hotel tax paid for the two cities was $295. Chloe.
0.035x plus 0.035 equals 295.
Thoughts? I heard decimals right?
Yeah.
1, 2, 1, 2. I like it. Decimals will get you. 0.035 versus 0.35 will give you very different answers, right? And I truthfully believe this is just going to take practice. Many of you have always just naturally come to, like, by the end of 10 questions, I'm rocking and rolling, and you guys have done 19, and some of you are like, I'm still very lost. I don't really know. Okay? Just because that paper back there has little tiny boxes on it doesn't mean you can only put one per box. Write bigger so you can actually read your handwriting. Or use your own paper. Okay? Please don't visit. I want you to take home near nothing, if anything whatsoever. You have 10 questions on Alex. Go to work.